Hey, my name is Dolphin. I'm the CEO of Dherbs.com. To be honest, the internet can be a confusing place. There's a lot of false information out there. So today I'm going to clear the air about what's fact and what's fiction. Hey D, everyone in my family has some form of heart disease. So that means I can't avoid it, right? It seems like I'm just waiting for the inevitable to happen. Any and all advice is appreciated. It's absolutely fiction. It's not true. 90% of all diseases today are diet related. That means we're eating our way into sickness. If you decide to have a better diet than your parents, then you're not gonna have it. If you become a vegan, you're not gonna have it, trust me. But if you eat the same diet as your parents, since you guys have similar genes, then you're definitely putting yourself at higher risk of having heart disease. Thanks, Ezekiel. Next question. Hey AD, I'm in my early 20s and I feel pretty healthy. Now, I'm not some super health guru, but do I really need to worry about heart health at my age? I feel like the risk of heart disease is so low, but I've had a couple of family members experience high cholesterol and high blood pressure. Do I need to worry about heart health now, or should I wait until I'm older? Thanks for your question, Nathan. This is absolutely fiction. Honestly, this question drives me crazy. An ounce of prevention is worth more than a pound of cure. The choices you make now will definitely affect you later. No matter the age, if you have type 1 diabetes or type 2 diabetes, you're definitely putting yourself at higher risk of getting heart disease. If you have heart disease or you're in trouble, or if you have any kind of heart situation whatsoever, Dherbs have the heart cleanse. The heart cleanse can help you tremendously in this area. Take the time, stay healthy, and do whatever you can to keep yourself on a healthier path. Hey AD, I don't know if this is true or not, but does a broken heart feel like a heart attack? My brother has just broken up with his longtime girlfriend and the emotional strain is real. He's describing chest pain, shortness in breath, and a sudden feeling of stress and sadness. I'm sure he's fine, but I want to make sure that something serious isn't going on. Fact, I too have had a broken heart. When you're sad, your body can release stress hormones, which can cause shortness of breath and also chest pains. Hey look, stop tripping. Get over it. She's gone, all right? You're gonna be better, trust me. Hey look you guys, thanks for watching. Hit that button, subscribe to Dherbs.